Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the leaf icon with the lightning bolt on it. This is the power saving mode icon. To enable the mode, tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and this will turn on the power saving mode, or a so-called battery saver. And basically that's how it looks like. You have access to the time, steps, battery life and date, and that's about it. The rest of the features are disabled. Okay, so that's how you turn on the power saving mode. To turn it off, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face on the screen, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.